In the play The Crucible by Arthur Miller, religion takes a very important place in the story. All the play is centered to one topic, witch hunts. They take place in a town called Salem. It all starts when Reverend Parrish sees his daughter and his niece playing in the forest with her household help Tituba, dancing in a very mysterious way. After this, almost every character in the play is being accused of witchcraft, and many end up confessing witchcraft. All the play has to do with religion. As everybody knows, witch trials and witch hunts have been a practice by Christianity to take evil spirits out of communities. People believe that the devil was present, and that it was present in witches. There are various people that have connections with religion in the story. The main religious character might be Reverend Hale, which is an expert in witchcraft and in hunting witches. He is the one who formally accuses people of committing witchcraft. He is the one who accuses Tituba and other characters in the play. He is part of the Christian church who is in charge of the witch hunt. Reverend Parrish is another character who tries to discover witches. Him, along with Reverend Hale, interrogates Tituba and makes her confess she did witchcraft. He is a very good man and an honest guy. He made an error. He cheated on his wife with Abigail. Rebecca Nurse also can be linked to religion, but in a different way. She was the most kind, honest, and noble person in the whole town. She's what religion is about. She was a martyr. She was hanged for witchcraft without being guilty. Some quotes that are related to religion in the play are: in Act 1, Abigail says, "I want to open myself. I want the light of God. I want the sweet love of Jesus. I dance for the devil. I saw him. I wrote it in his book. I go back to Jesus. I kiss his hand. I saw Sarah Good with the devil. I saw Goody Osborne with the devil. I saw Bridget Bishop with the devil." In this quote, Abigail is accusing Sarah Good, Goody Osborne, and Bridget Bishop of being with the devil. She claims that she made mistakes in the past, but she wants to be saved, and being saved is being close to God. God is the Savior in this play. If people are close to God, they are safe. In Act 3, Proctor says, "A man may think God sleeps, but God sees everything. I know it now." Proctor is talking about how God is the King of Kings. God sees it all. He knows everything and is capable of doing everything. Religion in the present society is very important. It gives people a guide to live and something to believe in. Unfortunately, some religions have taken their beliefs as far as Christianity did with the witch hunts. Some religions still kill other people because they don't think like them or just because they don't like how they look. Religion is and is going to be very important to society for many time.